Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Golam Saroar Sumon. You are watching on my YouTube video. Today, in this video, I'm going to speak with a very important topic. The topic is everybody has asked me on my comment box and various tools or messengers and also WhatsApp. The question was how we can make a mind map by which we can memorize huge vocabulary. The question was great. That's why I am making this video by which you will understand how you can make a mind map to memorize vocabulary. Look, mind map, that means you are sitting where, suppose I am sitting right now in my room. There's a wall, there's a floor, there's a roof, there's a window, there's a door, everything. So you are walking here and there. Suppose you are walking beside of a forest. What will you notice? You will notice some animals, some insects, some trees, some hills, some leaves, everything. Suppose you have gone to your college. What should you notice? You will notice your teachers, your students, your fields, your green grasses, your cricket pitches, your football goalpost, everything. So mind map is called where you will go, you will just imagine everything like a scientist. What is the difference between a scientist and a general man? The general man notices everything as generally, but a scientist always notices everything not generally, scientifically. So you have to make a mind map like not a general man, like a scientist. So where you will go, you will make a mind map and try to memorize what is your unknown word. If everything is unknown, try to find out around of your environment what is your unknown word and make it find out from your dictionary, and please try to become a fluent English speaker by use collecting vocabulary. And I think you will do it. Thank you very much to watch my video. I am inviting you to watch my next conversation video. Subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.